how to underline headers in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my header. Okay, I have header and page number here. Okay, so in order to put a line under the header, we need to enable the header. So we need to just double click on the header, then it will be enable to edit. Now just keep the cursor of that title, and we need to go in format. Under the format we need to click on paragraph and styles. Under the style we need to click on borders and shading. So here you can see the border and shading options. So we need to select that because we need to underline. Okay, so we need to select this. You can change the border width if you want. You can change the border style, dotted or plain. You can also change the color, and you can use the paragraph pending for pt and apply. Okay, then it will be apply. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.